In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Depop link. Whether you want to send a friend a specific item you found or point someone to a seller's profile, the process is quick and reliable. I'll walk you through each part so you know exactly what to do, and I'll add a few helpful tips along the way to make sure your link works perfectly when someone else opens it. First, open the Depop website in your web browser. You can use any modern browser on a computer like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. If you're already browsing Depop, great, you're one step closer. If you plan to share something you just discovered, consider keeping your browser window open so you don't lose your place while you grab the link. Next, navigate to the exact page you want to share. This can be a single items page if you want to highlight a particular listing, or a seller's profile if you want to share their whole shop. If you're not already on the page, use Depop's search bar or your feed to find it, then click into the item or the profile so the page fully loads. You want to make sure the page shows all the details you intend to share, like the item's photos and description or the profile's grid of listings. Once you're on the correct page, go to your browser's address bar at the top of the window. This bar contains the full URL, the unique web address for the item or profile you're viewing. Click once inside the address bar to highlight the entire link. Then copy it. You can do this by right-clicking and choosing Copy, or by using the keyboard shortcut, Command+C on Mac or Ctrl+C on Windows. If the link didn't fully highlight, click again or press Command+A or Ctrl+A to select all, then copy. Now you're ready to paste and share. Open the place where you want to send the link. This could be a message thread, an email, a social post, or anywhere else you can paste text. Click into the text field, then paste the link using right-click paste, Command+V on Mac, or Ctrl+V on Windows. Give it a quick look to confirm it matches what you copied. Many platforms will automatically generate a preview with an image and title. If that doesn't appear, the link should still work when clicked. That's it. Open Depop, go to the item or profile, copy the URL from the address bar, and paste it wherever you want to share it. Simple, clear, and effective.